Vikram invests some money in 3 different schemes for 4 years, 8 years and 12 years at 10%, 15% and 20% simple interest respectively. At the completion of each scheme, he gets the same interest. The ratio of his investments is, okay, so Vikram invests some money in 3 different schemes. Let's assume that it is scheme A, scheme 1, scheme 2 and scheme 3. Okay, and he is investing some amount, so let's assume that the principal is X, Y and Z. He is investing it for 4 years, 8 years and 12 years respectively. So N is 4 years, 8 years and 12 years, and he is investing it at 10%, 15% and 20% simple interest respectively. So rate is what? 10, 15 and 20. So from this we can calculate the simple interest, which is PNR by 100. So PNR, which is 10 over 100, here Y into 8 into 15 over 100 and Z into 12 into 20 over 100. But the question is telling us that at the completion of each scheme he gets the same interest. That means these interest, all these 3 interests are same, okay, and the ratio between his investments are. So we have to calculate what is X is to Y is to Z. This is what we have to calculate. Now let's just simplify this. 100, 100, 100 gets cancelled. 4 1s are 4 2s are 4 3s are 12, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are, and again 2 gets cancelled and 2 2s are 4. So we get the simple interest as X is equals to 3Y is equals to 6Z. Okay, now we have this equation, which is X is equals to 3Y is equals to 6Z. Now how will we calculate, how will we find the ratio of X is to Y is to Z? Now what I'll do is find the LCM of all these 3, 1, 3 and 6. What is the LCM of 1, 3 and 6? It is 6. So I'll equate this with all these 3 values with 6. So now we get X is equals to what? 6. We get, now we equate 3Y with 6, we get Y as 2, which is 2. So we got X as 6, Y as 2, and we equate 6Z with 6, we get Z is equals to 1. So now we got the value of X, Y and Z, which is X is to Y is to Z, which is 6 is to 2 is to 1, and this is our required answer. So option A here is the correct one. 6 is to 2 is to 1.